JavaScript has nothing to do with Java, not even a little bit. Here is the real story. In 1995, a company called Netscape hired a guy named Brendan Eich. His job build a scripting language for the web browser. The catch, he only had 10 days to do it, just 10 days. He built it and they called it Mocha. Then they renamed it to LiveScript. Cool name, made sense, but then something happened. Java was the hottest programming language in the world. Everyone was talking about Java, so Netscape made a deal with Sun Microsystem, the company behind Java, and renamed LiveScript to JavaScript. It was a pure marketing trick. 30 years later, the marketing trick ran literally everywhere. Website, mobile apps, server, AI, even robots, all from a language that was built in 10 days and renamed after something it has nothing to do with. Java and JavaScript have as much common in car and carpet. They share a few letters and absolutely nothing else. Oh, and the guy who built it in 10 days, he accidentally created one of the weirdest bugs in programming, type of null return object. It has been wrong since 1995. I post coding quiz every day and deep dive like this every week. Subscribe.